Dale Stetz. I own the Lightning McQueen race car. It's a former 2001 Goody's Dash Series car. We had the car in the shop. Um, Wanted to have some ideas to use, so we decided to turn it into a Lightning McQueen car and bring it to shows, let the kids enjoy it. Um, we're asked all the time to take it for fundraisers, different events, and we were asked to bring it down here to Run to the Sun 2023. We brought it down for the kids to enjoy it, let everybody enjoy it. It's definitely attracts a lot of attention. We use it to promote our business, which is Upstate Awards. We're located in Hickory Tavern, South Carolina, so we're in the upstate. And this car was put back pretty much all original as the last time it raced in Daytona, so it's set up for the super speedway. As far as the engine, gearing, and everything is put back to the best that we could. We enjoy taking it to these places, and we use it for track days with a group called Rolling Thunder Racing. We get out, get to go on some different tracks like Rockingham, Dillon Speedway, Martinsville, things like that. So it's fun all the way around. We get to bring it out, let the kids enjoy it, promote our business, and the most fun I have is seeing all the kids come up to it and have a good time with it.